This movie demonstrates what I should be a serious design problem in AIM's RS3 for data analysis. It's a problem which causes me a tremendous amount of frustration I spend a lot of time dealing with, and I imagine it's typical for a lot of users. And that's this. When we're looking at our data, we go by laps, and we typically, I believe, people set a color for the laps that they are interested in. Now, AIM does let you set a color for your best lap. I like it to be red. So let's go check and see that options. And sure enough, oh, what do you know? Best lap green. Well, let's change that to red. I'll change that to red. Okay, I like my best laps to be red, so let's go with red. All right, that should work. Okay. All right, now it's red. So that's fine. I'm looking at my red lap here, so if a list of laps comes up, I would believe that my best lap is going to be red. Okay, so let's go change to 3 laps. I'm going to look at the best 3 laps. And, oh, well, that's interesting. That didn't work. That didn't stick. Now best lap is blue. The second best lap is red, and the slowest lap is black. Well, I like my best lap red. Got to change this, and I make my second lap blue. I got to change that, and my third lap is red. Okay, and I just wasted time. Okay, so now I go look at my data, so on and so forth. I zoom around. I'll skip all that. And at some point I want to go and I want to look at, okay, how did I do on my best 5 laps? Okay, what happened there? Let's see, now the best switched to green, which was not expected and not intended, and not even what AIM's options were supposed to be. What was red and was my best lap is just now, I think it's my worst lap. And I got 2 blue laps. Not even all 5 different colors, mind you, but now 2 laps the same. So I got to go figure out what's it. So again, if I want to sit here and study this data, I've got to go back and compare what did I do. So I got to now go figure out which one was my best. I know which one is that, but I've got to sit here and I've got to read through the list. Which one? Okay, so it was the 69. Okay, that should have been blue. It's black. I got to change that one. That one. I'll make that one green. And let's see. Okay. How about this one? We'll make that one orange, and we'll make the oh, that's my slowest lap. So that should be yellow. I got to sit here and I got to make these decisions, think all about this. Oh, this one should have been blue. And dude, I mean, I practice this and I'm getting it wrong, right? I practice this all the time, and I'm still getting it wrong. Okay, there we go. All right, nope, that one's blue. That shouldn't be blue. Make that something else. Make that orange. Okay, so now it took me all that time, and I do this all the time, and I just got it wrong. So I imagine that's going to happen all the time. So fine. Now I finally got it. I can do my data analysis. All right. Now I want to go back, and let's look at 3 laps and watch the magic. Oh, best lap now is yellow when that was the slowest color before, and my blue is gone and my black is there. And let's just go to best lap, and oh, now best lap is orange. Completely arbitrary. I have done this test 10 times and the colors change. So it's not just a thing, it's a serious bizarre error. Now, AIM has lots of great features, lots of user profiles. I think this could be very easily solved if we just added the following. AIM added these kinds of settings. So, and made them stick, mind you. So you could pick your lap colors by lap times. Fastest lap, always red. Second fastest lap, always blue. And you could obviously change it if you wanted by the dark or light mode. But that way, whatever it is, whichever set of laps are out there, it always picks and organizes the colors this way. You could also do it by driver. So if you're comparing multiple drivers, which is again something very, very common to do, you always know that this driver is one color and that driver is another, and you don't have to sit there and manually select the colors every time you change. Because when you do this in the existing product, you will have to change the colors every single time. You should also be able to then say color priority. So do I want it by lap times or do I want it by driver? So for example, if you are showing multiple drivers, you could still set color priority by lap times, and then again, the fastest lap times across the drivers will be according to the lap time schedule, or you could do it by driver and then it'll be by the driver schedule. So this would be a very simple, not a complex programming thing to do, but it would save, well, personally save me a big deal of time, and I think it would save thousands of users lots of time.